Hugo is panicking because the lightning was outside. Thunder and lightning. And you're panicking. Don't panic. Don't panic. It's only a bit of thunder and lightning. It's only a bit of thunder and lightning. I listen to that rain. Bloody hell. I can't walk you while weather's like this, can I? Look at that rain out there. Good lord. It's alright, Hugo. It's only a bit of thunder and lightning. Oh, the grass needs a good drenching. You're okay, Hugo. Stop panicking. Stop panicking. My mum's having a sleep. Oh God, I just saw that then. My mum's just having a sleep. Oh, that's close, that is. Oh, look at that rain, it's bouncing off the concrete. Whoa. Look at that rain, it's bouncing off the concrete. Gosh, it's my mum's car there. Oh, that's heavy. It's heavy, isn't it, Hugo? Yeah. You okay? You're panicking? Oh. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. I'm here. Stop panicking. Stop panicking. Stop panicking. I'm here. Blimey. You're jumping my grave so fast. Hang on, can I sit down? Are you okay? Stop panicking. It's only a bit of thunder. We're indoors. It can't harm us.